I know y'all see, finna move the car. Finna get it towed to a electrician shop so they can do all the electricity work. For the most part, everything's done. But yeah, bro, the Chrysler 300 is coming together. The build. I can't wait to show y'all. Yeah, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on IG. Follow me on Discord. And yeah, bro. I'll show y'all what we got going on. I forgot I didn't tighten these. I totally forgot. Yeah.
Oh shit, you good. That motherfucker ain't rolling.
I didn't tighten the lugs. Most of them tighten though. Hello? All right. Bye-bye, girl. I'll see you later. For the better. It's for the better, girl. All right. Poor baby.
You left it, man. Sorry about that.
I was looking for y'all. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Oh, it's right there. So he's gonna bring it to a shop tomorrow. And he said once I get everything to him, which shouldn't be too long, it should take me probably until Monday to get everything. So once I get him everything, he said it'll take him 2 days to finish it, to get it running. So with that being said, I'm gonna bring everything to him as fast as possible so we can get in the Chrysler and start doing POV drives in the Chrysler. Striker Chrysler. That's what I'm gonna call that hoe. Cause that's what that hoe looked like. Not because that bitch a striker. That bitch super clean. But yeah, bro, that's it for today. I got a trailer full of parts that I basically need to get rid of, but I'll figure that out another day. Right now I'm on the hunt for everything that I need to finish my car. And yeah, bro, I think that'll be it for this video. It wasn't that long. I just wanted to give y'all an update on the Chrysler and what was going on. We are making progress, and y'all will see the Chrysler on the road soon, I swear. This has been a long time coming. I'm so excited, and it just got me excited for my next one. Just moving the car just got me re-excited for my next build. And it's gonna be even crazier than what this one is. This one is gonna be pretty plain because I want to not resell it. I just want to sell it to somebody. I want somebody to have a deal. Like, I want somebody to be in a SRT for a deal, like how I was. Whenever I got my SRT, it was for a steal. So I want somebody to have that same feeling, to know, like, you don't have to go to the dealership to get you a Scat. Like, you don't have to go to the dealership to get you a car in general, bro. You can just buy it from somebody or make your own, you know? So this is just letting people know it is reachable. Like, some people have goals of getting a Scat. Bro, it's reachable, trust. But yeah, bro, thank y'all so much. And yeah, man, it's just crazy. I don't know if I said like, comment, subscribe. So like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all so much for all the support, man.